So guys, the very first thing we want to do is to download MetaMask, right? So once we have downloaded MetaMask on our iPhone, right? If you're using Android, just download Trust Wallet, right? Just download Trust Wallet. But given that it's iPhone, I'll use MetaMask. So this is the process, right? We open the app and then we wait for MetaMask to come on, right? So this is where you see. So just tap on Get Started, and then because you're starting from fresh, right, on Trust Wallet or anything, if you don't have a wallet, just tap on Create a New Wallet, right? Then agree to this. So read the terms, just tap on Agree. You have to scroll all the way to the bottom for you to accept. Now the very first thing you want to do is create the password, confirm the password, and tap on the send. So give me 1 second, let me just create the password, right? So I have created the password. Make sure you keep this password safe. Don't ever forget it, right? That's the very first thing. Now tap on continue. It should not take so much time for it to create the wallet. Okay, so once this is done, this is the very most important step in creating a wallet address, right? So this steps involves a 12 phrase passcode, right? So this is more like if you lose this passcode, you have lost all your coins, right guys? So make sure you keep this passcode safe. Make sure you keep it very safe. So the very first step we'll do is to get somewhere safe that we would keep it, so for me, I would just keep it somewhere very safe, right? Now let's go about that. Just tap on start, and you want to view your passcode. So for this video, I'll just be showing you guys because I won't be using this account. I'll delete it afterwards, right? So you see this passcode, you want to make sure you keep it safe. So afterwards, okay, got it. Afterwards, just make sure you fill everything up with the passcode. So all I'll do now is to go to photos, right? Just because I had to screenshot it, I'm not going to be using it, so you guys are free to see it, but make sure nobody see yours, right? For me, I'm just trying to show you guys how to go about the process. That's why I'm letting you see it. So grab future, right? So if you're on Trust Wallet, you actually meant to do the same thing, right? It's going to be the same process. It's not going to be any much too difficult. Yard 6 is going to be Breeze. 7 is going to be Fox. 8 is going to be Divorce. 9 is going to be End. 10 is Gone. Age and Agree, right? So this is it. Now complete backup. So with this you have created your MetaMask wallet address. You can tap on done, but guys, remember, never allow anyone see your passphrase, right? And don't also send that to anybody. Okay, with that done, we can go on to the next step, and the next step is simply connecting our wallet, our MetaMask wallet, to our block contract address, right?